Hello, this is Michelle, your credit alchemist and founder of 760 Credit. We are going to be doing this series called Level Up Your Credit, and it's about 3 to 5 minute segment, just giving you a nice little nugget to help you remove things off of your credit report. So today is titled Bad Address Equals Deletion. Well, we found that the credit bureaus and the furnishers of information, let's call them collection agencies or creditors, don't always give the credit bureaus the right information. We've had in the past many letters come back that were going directly to the creditors or collection agencies for validation back to our customer, and it'd come back as a returned envelope. The address is bad. Well, if the address you use is from the credit bureau, the one that they provided you, well, they're providing you with inaccurate information. The FCRA protects us. They're not supposed to have any inaccurate information reporting on their credit report. If the address is bad, that's bad, and it's all bad, and they need to take that shit off. Okay, I wanted to show you the results. And if you want more information, just hit me up. I'm at Michelle at 760credit.biz. That's Michelle with 2 L's at 760 credit. You know what? Forget that. Subscribe, hit the notification number so you don't miss these amazing videos, right? Down below in the details, you will see how to get in touch with us if you had any more questions about that. But you have all the power. You and I have all the power, right? And what we want to do is take control of our lives. Credit, you can build wealth. If you got credit, you do some big things with that. All right, so we removed 2 accounts. Alliance 1, they used the wrong address. We had proof. We got them removed. Awesome, I love it. And now this customer has big credit. Okay, first of all, let's just take a look at that. Boom. See that? Boom, removed. But let me just let you have a peek of where this person is now. We're done. 2 rounds. Bam. Let me find this person's stuff here. What was the name? What was the name? Okay.